Hey, what's going on, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. So almost to the year end, and while the news flow has definitely dried up this week, there's some things going on. Some day trade opportunities. Today was interesting because a lot of the recently beaten up names, so stocks that have been hit pretty hard over the last few months or year to date, caught a bid, and you had some movement in all sorts of different areas, with the common denominator being just stocks that were at or near the 52-week low. So within that area, the Chinese tech and e-commerce names really stood out because you saw some real aggressive buying early this morning. All right, and I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't anticipating it, and I missed some of like the early moves right out of the gate. But what's interesting and what I really wanted to highlight is this idea of like correlations, right? So you always hear me talk about closely correlated stocks and sympathy plays, right? And most of that for me revolves around earnings and events, like trying to find stocks that could move with one another for cheaper option prices around earnings. But you can also set up stuff during the day for like day trades, right? Because this morning you saw BABA rip right out of the gate, right? So basically within the first 10 minutes, BABA was up almost six plus points, right? JD, another big e-commerce name, right out of the gate. First couple minutes, the stock was up almost two and a half, maybe a little bit more. So a big move for JD, right? So with PDD, which is like the third e-commerce name, by the first 10 minutes, the stock was only up maybe like $1. Okay, so percentage-wise, really wasn't as anywhere near what JD and Baba had moved early. So when I was looking at it, I was saying, okay, JD and Baba are ripping. PDD maybe play some catch-up intraday, right? So knowing that these three stocks are very closely correlated, like the three big e-commerce names, presented some opportunity because what do you know, right? JD Baba early tells, PDD ends up reversing and then really going on like a great intraday run to give some opportunities just for like a day trade type move with options. All right, so the correlations, and you don't need to like you don't always need to like actually use the calculator to find. I mean, sometimes the correlations are pretty like self-evident, right? You can like look at the charts and say, oh, like these stocks move together, right? Like you can just kind of like spot it. And in this case, if you knew anything about the Chinese e-commerce names, you know that Baba, JD, and PDD are the three big ones. So oftentimes they move together. So I'm just saying that like correlation trades. I use them a lot around earnings, but there's also other ways you can really like put that to your advantage, right? Like knowing which stocks move together. When there's maybe a little bit less news flow on a day-to-day basis, and I'm trying to like generate ideas, like this is one of the things I'll try to like use in my playbook. All right. So tomorrow wraps up 2021, and I hope all of you have a safe, healthy, fun New Year's. And I mean, 2022 is literally around the corner, and earnings season, the JP Morgan conference, and there's going to be so much going on once the calendar flips over to the new year. So, relax and enjoy the remainder of 2021. And if you're trading tomorrow, then I will talk to you tomorrow. All right. If you like this video and you're looking for more information about day trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Again, have a great night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.